Hey everybody, this is Derek the Strategist here. Just wanted to share one of my favorite productivity tools. It is called Trello, and you can find this at Trello.com. And I actually use the free version simply because I've gotten to the point that I have so many things going on that I need to visually see what I'm doing, although psychologically I know it's just easier when I start seeing tasks in front of me. So let me go ahead and show you how it looks as I go in. Okay, now that you're all signed up, we can create a new board. And obviously I already have a few, but I'm going to create a new board just as if I'm just starting. So click the create a board and then just add a board title and then pick a photo. I'll just pick this gold. And you have public or private. I just leave it at private because I don't want everyone on the internet seeing my board. So here it's really simple. So I can just say create YouTube video and then add it to the list. Well, let me back up. The first thing I would do is say to do and progress and done, and probably add on hold. This is pretty much how I set up my categories, but you can do them any way you want. To just like them to be a little organized. And so now under to do, I would say create YouTube video, post to blog, just making up some things. A Facebook ad, send out email, add to website. So I'll just do those things, right? And so the good thing about it is, all right, let's jump into the actual to do. So we can create the YouTube video here and just say create a YouTube video about we can just say that's the description, right? And if we want, one thing I do like is we can create a little checklist. So I'll just create the checklist and say set up camera, set up lighting, use phone backup. So you get the idea. These are your checklists. And then if you want to throw in a due date, we can say it's due tomorrow. Hit that save. And you can add comments and so forth. The other thing I really like is you can create labels. So just say, for instance, I'll create this label as, I'll just say the blue is social media. The red is YouTube. The green is, I don't know, Google. The orange is website. And so we'll just use those. That's good enough. So for the YouTube video, the category for this one, I guess, would be obviously YouTube, right? So once you're done, you can just X out of it. So now you have a date, a time, and so forth. You can go post the blog, kind of do the same thing. Hit your due date if you want. We'll just add that on the website, any comments you want, so forth. And you kind of get the idea. So when you are, like right now, I'm creating a YouTube video, I'll just slide this over to in progress. And then if I've done the blog already, I can throw this over here. If I want to add it to the website, I can go here. So it's really, really easy. So for me, what I've done is I've created a few kind of cards or dashboards. So we can just go out of here, back to boards. As you see, I have a few just based on the type of items I'm trying to post. So for me, I have one for courses, another for clients, another for the marketing agency, and another one for the the online courses. So I create tasks for each one of them because it's gotten to the point I have so many things to do, I can't keep up with them. There are also a couple other cool things that you can do with it. So let's go back to the home page. So what I'm going to show you now is what's called a Powerup. In the free version, you only get one. So right here, what we'll do is go to your Powerups, and literally you can add a bunch of different things, right? You can add your calendar, Google Drive. There's a ton. I mean, you literally just have to go through all of them. The ones I like for the most part, my favorite ones are the calendar, just so I can see it in the calendar view. Then you pick which one you like. What happens is you'll see the calendar view and it looks like this. So this will show exactly what you need to do visually, which is also another good thing. Lastly, you can collaborate, which is a good thing. You can create a team or even a business team, but you obviously would have to level up or just upgrade your account. And it's not a ton of money to upgrade your account, but it's but I just like the free version for what I'm using it for. So here is the pricing. Again, I use the free because I just need the basics. It also has a very good web app that allows you to do literally the same exact task that you can do on the desktop version. So I highly recommend it. And so this is one of the things that kind of keep me in shape and on time with a lot of my tasks. Thanks for watching, everyone.